Hello friends, this is your Sri Hari here with another video, and in this video we are going to unbox this Sena 20S Dual. So let's go ahead and unbox this, guys. So this device is available on Amazon for purchase, so I'll be linking the links for purchase in the description box below. As you can see here, this is 20S Dual, so this has got two devices in it, so that there is two intercom devices in this package. That's why it's called 20S Dual. First of all, let's go ahead and check out what all are over the box of this. On the back of the box you can see here the specification and all, and also here a descriptive image of the device is given, and here on the bottom it's all the specification. Here the Bluetooth 4.0, that's the Bluetooth that is used in the device, and here the connection between two helmets and the connection of the group and all have been mentioned here. So it's all the features of the helmet that's mentioned here on this face of the box. And now let's open the box. Pretty good packaging by Sena. Here you can see that the quality of the box, it's very good and premium. So let's open it. So in the box, the first that we see is the user manual booklet, Sena 20S user manual. So first of all, that's the thing that we see in that. Next we have another small booklet, and the next is the device itself, that's the Dual 20S. Let's keep it aside and check out what all are in the box other than this. So here you can see there is some accessories that came with the device, like the extra earpiece cushions and all. So that's the things right here, and there is cables for charging, and so this is the extra padding I think, and the velcro strips I think. So let's check what all in the here. So you can see here there is two secret lighter adapters, so that you can charge your device while you are traveling. So you can put this in the cigarette lighter adapter, plug in your vehicle and charge this. There is two of that. So let's keep all these things in the box and check out the main content, that is the device itself, the Sena 20S. So this is the tray that contains all the Sena. So this is the two earpieces that it goes inside the helmet, and this is the place where you connect the actual device, the communicator here, and this is the microphone for picking up your audio inside your helmet. This comes into the front of the helmet, in front of your mouth. So this is the microphone of the intercom communicator, and the communicator just slides into here like this, and it's locks into place. So that's how it's attached to the helmet. Hope you all have liked the video. If you like the video, click the like button. If you don't like the video, click the dislike button. And if you are not a subscriber, please do subscribe to get the latest contents from my channel. And see you guys in another video. Bye.